Hey fellow preppers, welcome back to Doomsday-Prepper. Today we're diving into some survival myths that could actually put you in more danger than you might think. Whether you're preparing for a wilderness adventure or a full-scale disaster, it's crucial to get the facts straight. Let's debunk 5 survival myths right now. First up, the classic myth: if you're bitten by a snake, you should suck the venom out. This is not just false, but potentially dangerous. Sucking out the venom can cause it to enter your mouth and bloodstream, putting you at risk of poisoning yourself. Instead, here's what you should do. Keep the bitten limb immobilized and lower than heart level. Apply a pressure bandage above the bite without cutting off circulation. Stay calm and get medical help immediately. Remember, timing is critical, so having a reliable communication device in your kit is essential. Next up is the myth of rubbing 2 sticks together to start a fire. While it's technically possible, it's incredibly difficult and unreliable. Friction fire starting requires specific types of wood and perfect conditions, plus a lot of skill and patience. As preppers, we know the importance of redundancy. Always carry multiple fire starting tools. Waterproof matches, a reliable lighter, and a magnesium fire starter are must-haves. Practice using them before you actually need them. And don't forget tinder. Cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly work wonders. Now let's tackle the myth that moss always grows on the north side of trees. This myth can get you seriously lost. Moss grows based on moisture and shade, which can vary greatly depending on local conditions. For navigation, invest in a good compass and learn to read topographic maps. A GPS device can be a lifesaver, but always have a backup plan. Prepping isn't just about having the gear. It's about knowing how to use it effectively. Another dangerous myth is that you need to find food immediately when you're lost. The truth is, you can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Dehydration will kill you faster than starvation. Focus on finding a clean water source first. Pack portable water filters, purification tablets, and know how to boil water to make it safe. Build a shelter to protect yourself from the elements. Once you're hydrated and sheltered, then you can start thinking about food. Remember to pack high-calorie, non-perishable food items in your survival kit. And finally, the myth that drinking alcohol will keep you warm. Alcohol gives you a false sense of warmth by dilating blood vessels, which actually causes you to lose body heat faster. This can lead to hypothermia in cold environments. To stay warm, dress in layers. Use materials that wick moisture away from your body and insulate. Build a proper shelter and keep a fire going. Always have emergency blankets and hand warmers in your kit. Prepping is about staying ahead of the game, and knowing these facts can save your life. Thanks for watching, preppers. I hope debunking these myths helps you stay safe and prepared out there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more survival tips and prepping strategies. Stay ready, stay safe, and see you next time.